Hello everybody, it is February 22nd at 2:30 in the morning. Looks like we have a couple cells of thunderstorms that are starting to come into the area. Heard a little bit of thunder about 2 or 3 minutes ago. See if we can get another one here. Oh yeah, there we go. That was definitely a good one. See if we can get another one here, another bolt of lightning, or maybe some more thunder. Looking on the ground here, you can definitely see the ground is a tad wet, so we have gotten some rain recently. Oh, I just saw some out in the distance over to the left. I think there's a pretty decent cell off to the west of Columbia near Boonville, or just south of Boonville, which is about 20 miles or so away. Definitely hear that wind pick up. Oh yeah, that's a good one. All right. That was a good one. You can definitely hear now that the rain is starting to pick up again. I have my, I'll stop talking for a second, see if we can pick this one up. Here comes the rain. It has definitely picked up now in the last 30 seconds or so, or about last minute. I have the light on my phone camera. I can't tell if you can pick up the raindrops or not. I'm not sure. I see something on the camera that could just be dust particles, or that could be rain. Looks like that's rain now. And for those who are wondering, This rain is the result of an approaching cold front. Nice, there's some more lightning. Again, as I mentioned, this rain is the result of an approaching cold front that is supposed to be sweeping its way through the area sometime, I would say, early this afternoon, maybe around noonish or so. It's currently about 55 degrees, and that's going to be the high for today. If you look on the National Weather Service website, it says a high of 54, low of 16, or about that. That high of 54 is definitely occurring right now, and throughout the day we're definitely going to drop in temperature. You can definitely tell the rain is being picked up on the camera now. Ooh, yeah, there's some pretty good lightning off to the east. You definitely hear the wind picking up again. This storm looks like it might have some power behind it. Well, that's going to do it for me this morning. I'm starting to get a little wet here, so I am not going to stand out in the rain any longer. But that's going to do it for me here this morning. Thanks for tuning in. I will bring you an update when we potentially get some snow again, potentially late Wednesday night into Thursday. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys then.